Trees can be an important tool in fighting global warming. Trees can help mitigate the damages done by CO2 produced by power plants, homes, businesses, and the mining of coal and other natural resources. There are many different ideas and methods used in planting trees and the types of trees. There are many different recommendations about what trees you can use or should use. The Department of Energy says that you should use species that grow quickly and live long. However, not many trees grow quickly and live long. In a 2002 study, the Forest Service says that you should use the following trees. It says you should use the common horse chestnut, the black walnut, sweet gum, ponderosa pine, red pine, white pine, London plane, Hespelian pine, Douglas fir, and a whole host of other trees. Maybe those aren't the trees you really want to plant. What's wrong with some of these trees on this selection list? Let's take a look at them. The common horse chestnut is not that common. There are not that many growers. The black walnut tree. Many areas you can't move a black walnut in or out of the area because of a disease called the 1,000 canker disease, which is very aggressive and will kill the tree and require you to cut it down and burn it on site. Another reason for not picking a black walnut is there are not many growers, and the black walnut tree is best grown from a seed, which will take a long time for you to produce. What's wrong with ponderosa pine and red pine? Well, there's not many growers in the east of those pine trees, and those pine trees get denuded by a pine saw fly called the red-headed pine saw fly. The London plane, the Hespelian pine, well, if you plant those, your neighbors may not like it because those trees are non-native. And the Douglas fir, there's a loser for sure. The Douglas fir is difficult to grow in a lot of eastern locations because it only likes alluvial soils, well-drained soils, and doesn't grow well in heavy, wet clay soils. Not only that, the Douglas fir gets the Douglas fir needle midge. And in order to control that, you have to have a spray program. You have to trap the little critter to know when to spray it. There's only 3 days of the year when you can catch it in a trap. And then you need a microscope and tweezers to see the little critter. I don't think that's a good choice. So what are you going to do if you need trees? Who are you going to call to get proper selection advice for the trees for your location? I suggest that if you want to find out the best trees that will grow in your area, you seek out a local tree grower. They obviously know what trees grow well in their area, and they know the soils, because trees grow well when they're in soils that are most suitable to the tree type you're trying to grow. Highland Hill Farm has many different kinds of trees that we grow and sell, and we do ship out trees throughout the East Coast, and we have 3 different locations from where you can pick up trees. You can get trees in Fountainville, PA, Lenoir, North Carolina, and McMinnville, Tennessee. And if you call us or email us with your site and tell us about your site, we would be glad to try and help you. But we do suggest that your local grower is your best resource. But if you can't find one locally, do give us a call at 215-651-8329. This is Highland Hill Farm. Thank you. At Highland Hill Farm, we raise over 200 different kinds of trees and shrubs, and we can ship as well as we can deliver and plant from many different places. We have locations in Fountainville, PA, Lenoir, North Carolina, and McMinnville, Tennessee. So call us at 215-651-8329 for all your tree and shrub needs. Thank you.